Hey guys, here we are today. Going to change a pool light in this pool. Just changing out the old incandescent bulb, putting a new one in. Now the common thing nowadays is everybody wants the multicolor LED lights, which are awesome. They're a bit pricey, so most of the people are putting them in on new pools that they're building. Most people put them in when they build a new pool. It's just changing out the existing light becomes a little bit expensive. But anyway, maybe we'll do a video on that one pretty soon. But this one, we're changing a bulb in this pool. So check it out. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this where you can see it. It has one screw on the top of it. Be careful not to drop it. Okay, we got it out. You'll see there is one clamp that holds it together. You just take this screw nut and bolt off of it, loosen it, and it'll give us access to the light. .7/16 will fit the nut. I believe this is a 3/8 nut driver. Careful not to lose the screw. Pop the top off. Then you have this rubber gasket. Just get a flat screwdriver. Put it between the rubber and the metal. Be careful not to break. Just trying to break the seal. There we go. All that comes off. You can see inside. You got a bulb. See, it's kind of blackened. And then inside of it, I'll just use a towel and dry it out real good. Okay. Get the new bulb, 500 watt pool light. Looks like a floodlight, and it will just thread in. And before I go any further, I always check, make sure that one works. Okay, now that we know it works, we will continue putting it back together. I always put a new gasket on when I change a light bulb. This is a Pentair. See the item number there. We'll also have it listed on the page in case you'd like to get one. It just peels off. Again, get you a good rag and clean that up. And the new gasket just goes on the bulb, on the lens. Just kind of work it on there. Kind of like the old changing an old tire on the bicycle. Okay. A lot of times they're marked top right here, so just make your letters go, make the letters read so that the top is at the top. Put that on. Okay, the screw hole will go at the top, so align that back to the top. And this bolt is usually one screw past the top. So hooking on all the clamps. Put the bolt back through there. Everything's good and straight, and we'll tighten it back up. Now just kind of tighten the pressing on and push down. Want to make sure the gasket is good and snug. It seals off completely so the light doesn't leak. Okay, we'll tighten it back up all the way, as far as it'll go. One last press, make sure everything's good and compressed, and we'll stick it back in the hole. On the fixture itself, you have one little tab at the bottom, right here, and that will catch in a notch on the bottom of the light ring inside of the pool, and then we have one screw at the top. So we just need to line up that bottom notch, and then we should be able to stick the screw in it, and we'll be finished. Okay. Ready to go back in. I'm going to wind the loose cord around the light fixture. And lining up that top hole. There it is. All right. Trickiest part is lining the screw back up, and once you get it, just snug it up good and make sure that light doesn't move around. There you go. Okay guys, that was it for the pool light. We'll turn it on here and make sure it works now that's back in the water. The next one we're gonna do is change the spa light, and it's a little bit different, so check out that next video for how to change the spa light if you'd like to see that. Thanks. Have a great day.